This is how you can add video in Padlet. When you're in a Padlet, you can go ahead and click your response with the plus button, then go to the ellipses, which will give you more options. From here, you want to click Video Recorder. This will give Padlet the opportunity to use your camera so you can record a video. This is my example of what it looks like to record a video in Padlet. Once you're done, you're paused, you can always go back and add a little bit more. I almost forgot to mention, make sure that you respond to at least one peer. When we're done, you can play back so you can listen to your video and see if you like it. Your camera so you can record a video. If you like it, you can go ahead and click Save. From there, Padlet will download. So this is a video example. And you can go ahead and publish that video to the Padlet. This is a great way to give instructions to your students. Students can also use the video option in Padlet to record their responses. I hope you found this helpful and are thinking of great ways that you can use this feature in your instruction and also with your students who might enjoy being able to record their responses as opposed to typing them.